today we are going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is more of a natural, semi-natural makeup look, you know what I mean, because I've been doing more dramatic, well, not quote-unquote dramatic, very dramatic looks. I knew that I wanted to do something natural, but then I didn't at the same time because I wanted to do something dramatic, but then I wanted to do something natural because I don't really want to wear makeup today. But you know, when I do makeup, I go all out or nothing. So yeah, this is me going all out for today. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. My social medias will be down below in the description for you guys. I got a Twitter once again, because, like, I don't know, like, I want to like it because that's where everything goes down. I feel like nothing goes down on Instagram anymore. I feel like it's just Twitter. So I'm trying to get back on that, and then I have a Tumblr, which I'm not really liking, but I'm still on it. So yeah, just follow those social medias, and yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So the first palette that I'm going to hop into is this Model's Own Barely There #2 palette. And yeah, so the first color that I'm going to go in with is this one right here, just as a transition, just to blend that in my crease first so everything else will blend very nicely. So we just went with this one, and now we're going to go in with this one. Since it's a little bit darker, I want to put it in my crease. So we're going to do exactly that. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm just like going like darker and darker and just putting it in the crease and seeing where I go with the look, because I have no idea what I want to do, so I'm just putting stuff in the crease until I figure out what I want to do. I think I'm going to take this Comfort Zone palette from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to take this color right here. This is one of my favorite colors from the Wet n Wild palettes. These 4 Wet n Wild palettes, the new ones. Like, I just love this color. This color is so gorgeous, I feel like this is my favorite color. I love it so much. I don't know exactly where I'm going to be putting it, but, you know, just keep watching and we'll figure it out together where I'm going, because I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this. Just putting it on the outer part, putting it in the crease, I don't know. We'll figure it out. So now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I really like this color. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put that, I don't have no idea what I'm doing. I am going, now should I do a wing? I don't think I want to do a wing, because I really, to be honest, I don't even feel like putting on makeup, but I have to record because I have to put on, like, I have to put a video up. So, I'm just going to do a thin line of this liner. This is the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liner in black. And, yeah, I'm just going to do a thin line, and I'll let you guys know what kind of lashes I'm wearing when I come back to you guys. And I'm also going to do my full face off camera. So when I get back to you guys, I'm going to have my full face done. I'm going to have my lashes on, and then we're going to move on. But yeah, so I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I did my full face like I told you guys. The lashes that I'm using today is the Platinum Princess by Eylure, Eylure lashes. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today, and these I think are like my favorite. Like, I love how they like look, and I love how they make my eyes a little bit bigger. But I am baking right now, just so it's a clean contour, you know. I use this Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet right in the crease. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not. I'm pretty sure you guys can. But I just did that because I felt like it needed a little bit of sparkle, so I did that. And I'm not gonna do much on my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna put mascara like right on the middle of the lashes, like right in the center, just to open my eyes a little bit more. But before we do that, I want to do the inner corner and brow bone highlights. I'm gonna take this Pixi by Petra little highlighter and blush duo in Peach Honey. I'm going to take that highlighter, and I'm also going to be taking this NYX London kit, and there's a highlighter in that, which is, sorry, this palette is such a mess, but it's this right here, and I'm just going to take those two highlighters and put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. And I also used those two highlighters for my highlight today also, if you guys are wondering. Alright, so I have an idea what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in soft pink, and it looks like this. It's very, very pretty, and I'm going to put that like on the like inner parts of my lips, and then I'm going to put blend it out with my finger, and then top it off just a little bit with this Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss in Peach Please. What am I going to be doing? I'm going to put some powder under my eyes for our mascara. Just a little bit of powder. We don't need a lot. And the mascara that we're going to be using is this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in Very Black. Now, we're not going to do all our lashes. We're just going to do, like, the middle part, if that makes sense. So, just, like, right in the middle. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how this turned out. It's just like a very simple half cut crease thing. Like, I really didn't know what I was doing, and this just like happened. Sometimes, well, all the time when I don't know what I'm doing, like off camera when I'm not filming or something, just putting on makeup for the day, I just kind of end up doing something like this, but not like this, you know what I mean? Like, it's half cut crease, but not like this. It's just very similar. But I don't even know what to call this look, to be honest, because I don't know. I just didn't know what I was gonna be doing today. I just like plopped on makeup, and yeah, I didn't even want to be honest, I didn't want to wear makeup today or film today, but I had to get a video up because I didn't get a video up on Monday. So yeah. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment what you guys want to see next. This is more of a kind of a natural look, because I've been doing like dramatic looks, so this is like semi-natural. Does that make sense? So yeah. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like and comment and share and all that stuff, you know. you know the drill. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.